YouTube, just a quick follow-up video on this Costco LED outdoor lantern. We end up picking up another one. We thought it's pretty bright, so we picked up some flame light bulbs. Picked this up, installed it on one of them, and we think it's really cool. It's only 2 watts LED. They're awesome. And here are the standard LED bulbs and the flame bulbs. Alright, let me change it up. Love nature. Hey Sim. That's our baby Simba. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Bye for now.